Hi guys, today I'm here with this nice magnetic clear acrylic dry erase calendar. This is so nice. I was literally just looking for one of these, and as you see, I already have it decked out with the month of September. It comes included with these markers that are super duper fine point, as opposed to like this one that I was using for my to-do list. You see it's kind of really thick. I tried using it on here, and I'm telling you, the markers that they include are going to be a lifesaver. So let me show you. It comes with its own little holster. It is magnetic, and you can just, put it right there, and it holds all your markers, so you don't have to like lose them in your drawer or whatever. You have green, purple, white, yellow, blue, and red. Now, of course, since I have a light colored fridge, the white kind of doesn't show up for me. But if you have a dark fridge or a metallic fridge, that is helpful. It also comes with this little eraser, and that is magnetic as well. I used that to erase previously when I was getting the calendar all put together. And it's a really nice high quality eraser. As you can see, you can make nice sharp lines with that. And then you can just go back over with this nice thin tip and just connect that. As you can see, I was doing lines to show which days have already passed. I just kind of think it looks a little bit more neater than X's. But let me show you how neat it is to write something with this fine tip. It's really small, and of course you can pop it on the back. So if I was going to write something right here, like Amazon, see how small and easy to read. I know I don't have the best handwriting, but it is really easy to read. And now you can fill up these small squares with loads of things to do. Of course, when I'm doing my writing things down, I'll put the things in the morning higher above on the square, and then the things that are later in the day down at the bottom. But it looks really nice, really cute, and goes right next to my to-do list. So everything is here. You walk by the fridge multiple times throughout the day, and you see all of your things that you have going on, keeps you extra organized. And these magnets are really powerful. This thing is not gonna come off or anything. Super duper impressed. And not only that, but they include the accessories that are needed in more colors than ever, so you can have all these different colors, and kind of just helps your items on your to-do list to pop out. So I love that so much, and I'm just so obsessed.